band of brothers, so fierce and true. Beard and courage is their virtue. When the world falls under shadows deep, bearded villains won't let darkness seep. With every act they show what's kind, a legacy of hope they're destined to enshrine. Oh, it didn't stop. Bearded villains stand so bold. By Swedish chapter tales are told. They are the heart's warmth in the coldest times. Bearded brothers, reason from the north they rise, a brotherhood so true. Swedish chapter standing firm, skies of stormy blue. Hear the call across the lands, they rally to the plight. Bearded brothers side by side, in darkness be the light. In unity they find their strength, a family so vast. Across the globe, from east to west, their brotherhood will last. Unity's their banner flown against the storm. Hand in hand they stand, a world they will transform. Their deeds of compassion spread